Hi everybody, this is Kevin, and today we're on the website V2 Cigs. The reason why I'm on V2 Cigs is I have been personally involved with them for 3.5 years. They're totally reliable people. They stand behind their products. You have a lifetime warranty against any defects. So what I'm basically going to do is just kind of give you the basics of what you'll need if you do decide you'd like to try out electronic cigarettes. First, you're going to need a battery, and you see the X series. That's the newest battery and is by far the best that I've ever had. And it comes in several different colors. Now we're going to have something to smoke. Now, if you currently do smoke, you may want to pick a tobacco that resembles what you already are smoking. V2 Red is like your Marlboro. Sahara is like Camel. Congress is like Parliament. And then you have strengths. Now, if you like a full strength cigarette, 2.4%, that's the highest. If you want to drop it down a little bit, go to 1.8. Now, the last thing you need is something to charge the batteries. If you want to have the ability to charge at the house and in your car, then you want to go with the V2 charger kit and car adapter. Before you check out, there's a coupon code you need to have on your order. And what that is KW Hartford 10. And when you put that little code number in, something magical happens. You get 10% off. So make sure you put that on all your orders. So that's my video for today on e-cigs. If you're new to electronic cigarettes, I encourage you to try V2 Cigs. I guarantee you will not be disappointed.